Hello everyone and welcome to the final tutorial in the Fundamentals of ICT series. Today we will be creating a comprehensive presentation titled Healthy Living. You will learn how to combine visuals, valuable tips and interactive elements like a web form survey to make your presentation engaging and impactful. Let's dive in and wrap up this series on a healthy and creative note. To start with, open PowerPoint, create a blank presentation and name it as Healthy Living. Then we will create a second slide having the image of healthy foods. So healthy foods, then go to online pictures, search for healthy foods, select an image and insert. Then we will create one more slide having daily exercise routines, and again go for an image on a online stock images, exercise, and select any creative like images. Let's select this and insert. Okay, so we are done for three slides. Sorry. So we will add a fourth slide to note down the tips on staying hydrated. So we can give the title as how to be hydrated. For this you can simply search on internet for any tips for staying hydrated and copy that points and paste it. I have copied 3 points. Then in the next slide you have to add the survey or a survey form link. As you already know, we have already created a survey form. You can use different questions and answers, but for this instant I'm using a pre-used survey form. Let's say I will add the cultural event participation survey, shorten URL, copy, go to your presentation. Now we have to add the link. To add link, go to insert, search for hyperlinks, which is your links. Click on links, paste, and there you go. And that's a wrap for the Fundamentals of ICT series, brought to you by ScriptoGuru. You have successfully created a professional healthy living presentation with the interactive health habits survey. I hope you have enjoyed learning these practical ICT skills throughout the series. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ScriptoGuru for educational content. This is Kumaran signing off as your ultimate coding guru. Thank you for watching and see you in future tutorials. Stay healthy and keep learning. Bye.